Here's how to make your Instagram story with multiple photos. For this, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, swipe right on the home screen to launch the camera. Here, tap on the Create option from the left side menu. Then tap on the Center Create button. Now let's change the background color of our story. Browse through different background colors and pick one you like. Next, tap on the sticker icon from the right side menu. Here, look for the photo option and tap on it. This opens your phone's gallery. Browse the gallery and select the first image you wanted to add. Here, you can adjust the angle and position of the image. Like this, you can add one more picture. Make adjustments to this picture as well. If you want, you can add a third image and adjust it as per the frame and rest of the images. Once it's done, make any final corrections to all the images. Finally, tap on your story in the bottom left corner. And that's it. You just posted an Instagram story with multiple photos.